Action
Happy
with me.
birthday, Sam.
Thank you. See, welcome to Jam with Sam.
Thank you, Sam.
Nice having you here. So
Pleasure is mine.
you finally made it.
Yeah.
I was
after
thinking,
a 2-hour, 15-minute drive.
You should leave early, and I told you to leave early.
And next event, I'll come over the previous evening, stay somewhere around.
Yeah, we have rooms here.
I'll consider.
Excellent rooms
I'll
over
definitely
there.
consider.
And Lokhandwala is a food spot, and you know my house also is a food spot.
Yeah. So that's the choice next.
That's the choice next time. So, tell me something about Google Business Group. What exactly is Google Business Group for entrepreneurs?
Okay. First confession is most of the people assume Google pays the chapter manager or runs the Google Business Group. It isn't that way. Google monitors this, supports us, gives knowledge. Of course, we report to them. But the point is to teach or help business professionals, entrepreneurs, homemakers. It could be anyone who want to learn about digital technologies. So, web is really exploding in a tremendous pace. It's growing so much. So there's the landscape that's changing at a tremendous pace, and if you consider worldwide we have about 2 billion people who access internet. Of course, let's say that even 1 billion people use Google on a daily basis for one reason or the other, and if they want to get in touch with someone, how do they do it? So they have about few thousand employees. If you do the ratio, it is like 1 Google employee to 6 lakh people who use the internet. It's not a feasible way of doing anything pretty much. So just like how we wrote a mail to Facebook, the response, the number of people writing to any company will be pretty huge.
Correct.
So hence the initiative by Google, it's called as Google Outreach Program, where they have 3 distinct chapters. One is called the Google Business Group. This is purely for entrepreneurs and business professionals to learn about technology.
So what's the
Nothing geeky stuff.
So
it could be...
Okay, it's simple stuff. I mean, which a normal entrepreneur who just uses Gmail and all that stuff,
right from
he can come for such a... Okay.
Yeah. So if I were to say a level, 0 to 10, 10 being a very, very advanced technological guy, like a CTO, this is 0 as a homemaker. We operate between 0 to 6 maybe.
Okay.
That's where we stop.
Okay.
So this developers, there is another chapter called Google Developer Group. So they talk about how to use APIs to build apps, things like that. So that's primarily for engineers.
Okay.
So we are more like a managerial professional stuff. Yeah.
Okay. And so these chapters, how many chapters? There are a lot of chapters in the world?
We have a little over 100 chapters worldwide.
Across the world, okay.
Yeah, so this initiative itself is old by like a year and few months now. So it came to India this March. Bombay was the second chapter. We started in April. Just like your first events, we had 10 people.
Okay.
In a city like Bombay, there was 10 people. Rishabh was one of them, couple of them. Of course, the second event, the third event.
Yeah,
we now get anywhere between 80 to 100 people on an average. And day-long sessions, we get about 300 people.
So what are the kind of things, you have this Google Day which was there recently.
That's correct.
And then you have this Google Business Group. So what happens in the Google Business Group and what happens in this Google Day which happens?
Google Business Group's average events we do once in a month. What we try to achieve is, once again, based on the feedbacks that we get from the community. If people said that Webmaster Tools and Analytics is pretty comprehensive. There is enough of videos and slide shares on that, but can we talk to someone who can explain us, do a hand holding. So we did a 3-hour session on how to use Webmaster Tools. It was pretty...
Yeah, it was a good session.
Yeah, and analytics, what can you measure? So the topic we said was not like a workshop, like a tutorial, but we called it as what gets measured gets managed. So why you should measure, who are the visitors coming to your site, how much time are they spending. So based on this insight, what should you optimize in your site?
Okay.
Things like that. So similar events, one we did for women and empowering women entrepreneurs. How do they use technology in their business?
Yeah, and it was nice that men also invited.
Of course. Yeah.
So it was a good event, which was, I think it was at NSC, no?
That was at NSC, July,
Okay. So for a normal business person, who's like always hard pressed for time, when do you have these events? Is it on weekdays or is it on a Saturday? Or
we do almost in the 3rd or 4th Saturday of a month. So we have a strategic tie-up with Mitibai College, Harkishan Mehta.
Okay.
So institute.
Okay.
So we do it on a Saturday evening somewhere between 5 to 8 p.m. on that.
Okay.
So the Google Day that you asked, that happens annually once. It's a day-long event where we do typically between 10 to 6 with breaks and lunch, of course.
Right.
So 2 different tracks happen on the same day. The developer tracks talk about development using APIs and things like that, and in the business track we talk about how businesses can use Google's technologies to enhance their
So if there's a normal person who's using maybe Gmail and a bit of stuff and he wants to learn something more,
yeah.
So this is a good place to come to learn such stuff.
Exactly.
Is it too technical or it's medium?
See,
kind
the
of stuff?
technical, only few people will have a very advanced technical questions that we take it as we go. Yeah, or we address it if it's becoming too much, we take it offline. But otherwise, it's fairly application of these technologies. That's
Okay.
what I would call it as.
Okay. Okay.
So,
So those Google people also come in sometime to address during these sessions.
yeah, the intention of Google guys is to develop this as a self-sustaining community. But of course, they do come. For Google Day, we had about 4 Googlers who came down and spoke. Yeah.
And what are the kind of charges a person has to pay annually for?
It's free and open community. That's the
Okay,
nice
so you don't
thing
charge
about
anything.
it. We don't charge
You give
anything.
lunch and you give snacks
Snacks
also.
too.
Wow.
Yeah. So free to join, free to attend.
So
Free
there
to
is a
eat.
free lunch which exists.
In business,
In
yeah.
business, yeah, that's nice. Abhijit is smiling. Sponsored by Google.
Yeah.
Puneet also is happy over there.
It's
No, it's not sponsored by
technically, see, the Google Day was sponsored by Google, but our monthly events is sponsored by the strategic partner I mentioned. So Arkesh and Mehta College takes the
They take
tab.
care of that particular thing.
Yeah.
It's a good thing. It's good that such things happens in Mumbai.
That's correct.
Others to run events like that is pretty expensive
correct,
to do that over there. So, what do you do, Shri? I mean, are you a full-time employee or this is something which you're doing on your own?
I work in a leading digital media agency. We are Media to Win, one of the top
Media
4.
to Win. Okay.
Media to Win is one of the top 4
Yeah,
digital
this
agencies.
game development and all that stuff.
That's Games to Win.
That's
So Media to
Games
Win
to
is
Win.
purely a digital agency. We handle brands like Tata Sky, UTV, Daimler, Boost
Okay.
and Horlicks, things
Okay.
like that. So that's where I work.
So that's where you earn your money at least.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's my bread and butter. This is
Okay.
more like tea and coffee types.
Tea and coffee time. Okay, that's good. You said tea and coffee over there.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you guys meet up. Is there any other like this only in Mumbai? Ki there are in other cities also you have?
In the last 9 months since this started in India, we have about 19 chapters now.
19 chapters.
That's correct.
It's fantastic. Yeah.
Yeah.
So which all cities are you in Mumbai right now?
No. In Bombay, of course, all the
Yeah.
metros,
Huh.
and then tier 2 cities is the focus. Like for example, Rajkot, Ahmedabad, Pune.
So they have
Coimbatore.
different people who,
Each one will have a chapter.
just like
manager.
you have a person like you have somebody
That's
else who
correct.
represents
That's
that
correct.
person over there.
Yeah.
And this is not a paid position. It's
None
a
of it is paid. No.
They don't take you maybe to Google once a year to Google at US. or
Mountain
something.
View office, we wish. What they did so far was to take us to Goa.
Yeah,
Leela
yeah.
Goa, we stayed there for two days.
Microsoft लेके जाता है ना हम लोग को. They take us to US and all. So that's nice. So you should look at that.
We
That's
will
a good thing.
direct
And what about internationally? Is there any? They must be quite popular internationally. If it's come to India now,
That's correct.
how popular is it abroad?
It started actually, the purpose was to start it across the emerging markets. So if you look at US, there isn't any GBG chapters.
Okay, they are very clever. They don't require anything. Over.
I wouldn't assume anything here, but the reason is, can we empower more markets where there is lesser usage of internet? We're a land of billion people, but only 150 million people use internet. So how can we expand this? That's the common denominator, right? The more users you have,
Correct.
the industry
So
grows. The
it's
category
India.
grows.
Which are the other markets which they open? I think Malaysia also is there.
Yeah. Complete Asia, there's a complete, very broad presence, very comprehensive presence, followed by South America.
South America. That's Brazil
And some
all
African
those
countries,
places.
though.
African countries over there. And supposing a lot of has got like a lot of, suppose like for example, I'm trying to set up the YouTube account for Indian Networker,
Yeah.
and they refuse. This
Okay.
is not a name. You write a mail to them, you send them photographs. They don't do that. So does Google assist people also? Maybe with the good offices of Google. Ki, okay, so and so person is stuck. Like that gentleman was not able to get to Facebook.
That's correct.
Now I know somebody in Facebook, so my account got locked out once.
Yeah.
Believe me, I tried for 7 days to get into my account,
Okay.
and I handled about some 30-40 pages. I was stuck. I said, I'm advertising, please do something. No response from there. So at least our Airtel responds back, Vodafone responds. Here there is no response over there. So finally one mail reached somewhere in Facebook. I went to someone, it reached over there. Within 4 hours I got my account back. People say you don't get your account back. I got it back. So that even though Facebook has got an office, they are just looking at advertisements. They're not looking at customer service. So can maybe Google Business Group help, kind of like through their partners,
Okay.
help, customers or entrepreneurs, they may be stuck somewhere, maybe suggesting, okay, you want Google AdWords or you want a Google partner to help you. Do you do such matchmaking services which you
To
may
a
call as-
large extent, yes, we do that kind of
Okay.
matchmaking services. So if it's technically possible, and if you are stuck, you don't know how to do it, but it can be done. Yeah, we guys help out ourselves.
Okay.
But let's say that you want to be a partner with Google for selling their AdWords, or you want to monetize your YouTube content, or a little more advanced things. What we will do is we will take a message from you, put it to the right person, then they get in touch with you.
Correct.
So we do facilitate the entrepreneurs to
Because
reach out to Google.
what I've seen is many of these groups, large companies, they are driven by numbers.
Yeah.
How many dollars are you spending, what are you doing there and all, so they address all that stuff. But the whole chunk of SMB business, there's nobody to address that over there. So that's one big...
You rightly said, yeah, the SMB is the
which is there.
focus,
So
primarily.
I think that's a good thing that Google has started
That's
this particular thing to help out SMBs in that.
The bigger corporate accounts, they can hire a digital agency to comprehensive handle
yes.
their complete
Yes.
digital requirements.
Somebody like you.
Our agency,
Yeah.
yeah, that's what I do in a day job, right? All the
Okay.
big brands that I
Okay,
mentioned
okay.
is what I mean, technically speaking, the consultation I give to a bigger brand in my job is something similar. I would scale it down to the SMB when I'm talking on behalf of GPG. So the person speaking is the same. Of course, here it's free. That's because it's driven by passion and not by money.
Okay. So tell me something about yourself personally. You've been staying in Mumbai all your life?
Nope. Bangalorean by chance
By
and,
chance, acha,
and
chance.
Mumbai by choice now.
By choice. Oh wow.
Yeah, I've been
That's
here for a year and a half now. I should confess I love it. So,
Great.
city with a great energy. Yeah, so I primarily moved here for, the media to and the career, to build a career.
And
of
you got
course,
this Google thing came across also.
that's correct. It was pretty much like an interview they did. There was a form, you fill up, they talk to you, do a couple of rounds of interviews and stuff like that. And then you get
How
shortlisted.
you enjoying it at being in Google?
Of course, I enjoy it to the extent of getting acquainted with people like you and a lot more, which makes it worthwhile, to spend a lot of time there.
You want to share something about what number is Google Business Group Mumbai worldwide?
The number is in the number of chapters?
No.
Huh.
Your number.
Oh, okay. As of this quarter, we are the top 2 chapter, so worldwide. So
In
out
the
of
world.
the 120 chapters that we mentioned. So how the ranking is given is very interesting. It's based on the feedback the audience fill. So after every event, we send out a feedback form. So generally, very few people fill, but we got as much as 50-60% fill rate. So this is essentially what goes into adding to the quality score that we do. So that is directly accessed by the Google Quiz. And of course, the relevance of the topic. If you're talking a general social media versus a specific Google apps for business, and those kind of relevance what you're talking, all this added up thanks to the community that we are in the top 2 position. Yeah.
Fantastic. And how do you propagate? You use social media, like you use Google. Only Google. You also use Facebook
No, we are
and Twitter.
agnostic in that sense.
So there's nothing like that. You only use Google or Google Plus.
It isn't that way. Nothing hard and fast about it.
Okay.
We started with a G Plus page though, understandable reasons. Then we had a Twitter account. Then we had we thought of a content strategy. Then now we have a Facebook page. And of course, our website has a comprehensive details of the past events.
Correct.
Joining forms.
Fantastic, Sri. Thank you so much for being with
pleasure is
us
all mine,
over
Sam.
here. Nice meeting you and
Pleasure meeting you, Sam. Thank you so much.
So you can have, this is not a Google, but it's Jam with Sam.
That's interesting. Very colorful.
So
Thank you so
have
much.
that over there. And he'll click and you'll be tagged tomorrow and updated.
Looking forward to it.
Okay, and
Thank you.
Since you're not married, no?
I have a kid. He's 1 year old.
That's news to me. That's fantastic. He doesn't look that old.
I'm not that old.
I know. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Thank you.
that's
Sam.
for his wife, the
I will
Baji
pass
bag.
it on.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shri.
Thank you.
Shri.